This is a review from a quadriplegic's point of view of Busch Gardens in Williamsburg, Virginia. I must say the neighborhoods were very nice, with different countries represented very well, with different foods and different shows. It was easy to access many things around the park, and the only thing I had issue with was I couldn't ride the rides, but that was to be expected. As for the shows, the animal activities and everything, they definitely kept me busy all day, and I was able to ride the train. So it wasn't a bad day. Please enjoy the rest of my travels throughout the park.